You wanna go ride on jet ski? Okay.
Ride.
You wanna ride? Man, you gonna steer this thing? Gonna hit the throttle? Push it to you. Ooh. Whoa. Are you in sport mode? Get it, boy. Ah, got your money. Man, you messing with the birds. What them birds do to you, man? Look at him sitting on the jet ski, guys. Look like a natural. Sport mode activated. God, your body. Ah, 5 foot. What you, buddy? You wanna go ride on jet ski? Huh? You wanna ride on jet ski?
No, I want to.
Yeah, water?
I want to ride.
Yeah, okay. You wanna ride?
Why?
All right, let's go ride. Man, you gonna steer this thing? What's going on, everybody? 4 or 5 foot here, and it might not be 2 wheels, but we on the jet skis. First time little boy on the jet ski. Got my girl back here nervous. We all on the jet skis. Ooh, we got a little bit of waves. Gotta be careful, buddy. Ah, got the muddy. All right. Yeah. You having fun? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Here, you wanna hit this? You wanna hit the throttle? Huh? You gotta push that to you. Push it to you. Push it to you. Oh. Oh. Easy does it. Easy does it. Ah. Ah. Easy does it. Ah. Ah. You in sport mode? Get it, boy. Ah. Got your money. Ah. Yes, sir. Oh, we got some waves. Yeah. Look at him out there cutting the food. Ah. 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 Got some money. Whoa.
Whoa.
He say whoa. Oh. Got some money. It is nice out here, y'all. But it ain't that way. Got your money. What do you say? Got your money.
Bye-bye.
Yeehaw. You having fun? Yeah. Wanna go fast? Let's get it. Alright. Alright. Let's get it, boy. Ah. Oh, there goes the hat. There goes the hat. No. Well, hopefully we'll get that bitch back. We lost the hat, guys. We got some waves. Oh, hopefully Mike can get it. Ah, he got it. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Mike has rescued the hat. He has got the hat, guys. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see if we can yeah, ease on to the side. Aha, now the hat's all wet, man. I can't wear this. Oh, stop to get a little bit of, what's that we got? A little ham and American with crackers. You know, a little lunchable, a little snack. Here you go, buddies. Yeah, you know, just pulled on over on the beach. It looks good on this side, but it don't look so promising on that side. We gonna see. Hopefully it don't get too bad. Man, you messing with the birds? Huh? What them birds do to you, man? Hey, maybe they trying to get them something to eat. Huh? And you over here messing with them. Yes. Huh? Wow. Look at that, y'all. That is awesome. This is gorgeous. He's having a blast, as I knew he would. He loves playing in water. Just going for a little stroll on the beach. Yeah? You tell him, buddy. Little bird. Hey, little bird. Ah. You see the water? Well, y'all can see it looks like it's clouding up. I think it's going that way, so hopefully we'll be okay. Time will tell. Hey, buddy, why don't we turn around and go back the other way? Here, let's go back to Mama. We're getting away from Mama. We got to protect Mama. We got to keep our eye on Mama. You never let anything bad happen to Mama, okay? You hear me? We always take care of Mama. You see that bird? You messing with that bird? Uh-oh, don't fall now. You see the birds out on the post? Hey, out here. You see all the birds out on the post flying around? Yeah.
See bird.
You see the birds?
I want to see bird.
Yeah, there's plenty of birds. You keep messing with them. I'm right here. I ain't going nowhere. So guys, my good buddy Mike took us out on the jet skis. I just want to let you guys know what we was riding on. This is a Yamaha Wave Venture. I believe you said it was a 96.
Yep.
96. And this thing's pretty cool, man. Nice and steady. You know, don't no wiggle diggle too much, you know what I mean? But yeah, and it's pretty quick. Definitely holds me, the old lady, and the baby on there just fine. And we enjoy it, man. We enjoy it. Hey, buddy, you having fun?
I gotta go.
You want to go for a ride?
Why?
You want to go for a ride?
Why?
Yeah? We go for a ride? Ah, look at him sitting on the jet ski, guys. Don't he look so good? Look at it. Look like a natural. Alright guys, so here we got a 2015 Sea-Doo Spark. Oh boy, Mike said, man, you just gotta ride this thing. You wanna know why? Because it's got sport mode, man. Ah, so we're gonna go ahead and put it in sport mode. See what it's got. Alright, we on the Sea-Doo. Alright, he said, hold on, get this thing straight. It's kind of hard to turn these things, man. He said, get on here, hold the red button down. Sport mode activated. Ooh! Ah, I got a little jump to it, mate. Ah. Oh, got the muddy. Man, these are like sport bikes on water, bro. These things are awesome. I don't even know how fast I was going, but I know I was getting it, boy. Ah, do donuts real quick. Ah, I got some money. Yeah, come on out with it. Guys, these things are awesome. I don't know if y'all have ever been on jet skis. To be honest, this is only my second time on jet skis. And I love this thing, man. I love this thing. Out here at St. Mark's, Tallahassee, Florida. Right out here just riding by the lighthouse, man. And just having a good old time. Oh, we got this thing in sport mode, baby. Oh, I see Mike done come on out here. He wants to race. Oh, he want to race. Ah, I got somebody. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Ah, red wave. Let's see what he got. Oh, a little splashy, splashy. God, somebody. Man, I feel like I was going 1,000 miles an hour. God, this is so fucking fun. Oh yeah. Yeah, y'all, this is like sport bikes on water. Ah, look at them clouds back there, man. I don't know if y'all can pick that up. We just out here goofing off, you know what I mean? Yeah, do them donuts. Ah, got some money. Got some money. Ah, make a little whirlpool, a little rampy. Ha ha! Ah, you know 5 foot gotta do a little donuts, baby. Yeah! Let's get it, boy. Let's get it. Ah, race the jet ski. Yeah! Oh. Oh. Ah, I got some money. Oh, stand up. About hit my nuts, man. About hit my nuts. Oh, it's like that. Oh, come here, boy. God, somebody. Oh, you want to get? Oh. Oh. Here we go again. Oh. Oh, I can't get it to turn. There it goes, there it goes. Let's get it, boy. I do believe that thing just said 42 miles an hour. Ah, got somebody. Y'all, we just out here goofing off, man. Goofing off. Having a good time. Good time. And the plus side is, man, plus side is my little boy is enjoying himself, man. Enjoying himself. This man acting a fool. Yes, sir. Get it, boy. I see you, mate. Ah. He'll come do another flyby. Do another flyby. Ah, I got somebody. It's like a flyby, just on jet skis, man. It's already recording.
Okay.
You just hold it. Now watch this shit.
My beginning. Flip it, John.
Get back to my baby. Get it, boy. We on his ass. Oh, let's slow down. Guys, this is awesome, man. Go out there and buy you some fucking jet skis, bro. Alright, guys, we had an amazing day today. As you see, we got the old skis loaded up on the old Dodge Caravan. Ah. Oh. Did you have fun, buddies? Huh?
No, water.
You played in water? Yeah. Got the muddy. So guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, Dwayne. Dwayne. Oh.
Puppy.
Oh. Hey, boy.
You're so loud.
Well, I think somebody's tired, boy. Oh, he had a good time. Good time.